Check the vibe, it's the SD lifestyle. Turning up the kitchen, yeah, we do it with a smile. From the coldest savanna where the frost hits the ground. Got a secret flavor that's shaking up the town. One bite, switch it up, watch your senses ignite. A sweet little magic, yeah, we're cooking it right. It's a mouth-watering dream, dripping gold on the plate. Exclusive in the kitchen, yeah, you know it tastes great. So easy, so smooth, just a flick of the wrist. The kind of satisfaction that you can't resist. From the wild frozen plains to the global stage, we're flipping the script, yeah, we're turning the page. Mind-blowing taste, yeah, it's hitting the soul. Keeping it bold while we lose our control. The world's gonna feel it, the world's gonna know. The SD recipe, watch the flavor just grow. Simple, delicious, yeah, it's pure gold. The greatest story that's ever been told. So easy, so satisfying, crave it all day. The SD life, yeah, we do it our way. Do it our way. Oh, no, 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 no. I learned to smile with my back to the wall. Count every promise and wait for it to fall. Mom kept her secrets in a pillbox tin. Dad left the silence that lived in my skin. So I built my heart with the locks on tight. Held my breath in every bright good night. But you sat down like you had all day. Said I can't stay. I got hands full of glass, still I let you in. I got hands full of glass. Can you still touch the skin? If I shake, if I break, would you leave or would you stay? I got hands full of glass, and I trust you anyway. Life kept teaching me the hard goodbye. One door opens and it won't let me by. Bills on the table and a fading dream. Still I keep on sewing up the seams. Every scar says, don't be a fool, every good thing bends that rule, but your voice says, warm in the dark like a small safe spot. I got hands full of glass, still I let you in. I got hands full of glass. Can you still touch